Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Scale. So today we are back with another video, and today we are going to install PixelOS version 12 in our Poco F1, and this procedure will be very similar for every phone that supports PixelOS, and the link of the project is in the description. You can check it out from there. So what I can see from the change logs and other stuff, PixelOS is gonna give us the Pixel exclusive features. So let's start with the installation process, right? So this video will be divided into two parts. The first part would be the installation guide, how you can install it, and the second part that will tell you about the features and other stuff. So if you just want to skip to the second part, the timing duration is in this section right over here. You can just skip to that, right? So let's start the video. So today, as you can see, we are going to install that. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to click the volume up and power button both at the same time. This will land you in a TWRP mode, or in the, you can say, in the recovery mode, right? So after that, you will have to copy the ROM file in the phone and you're good to go. So again, one more thing that we should remember, that is this process is going to wipe out whole of your storage, so do keep a backup, right? So you can simply swipe to allow modifications just like this, and you need to wipe and you need to format the data, because this is altogether a new operating system. I mean a new, you can say a new custom ROM, so you will need to wipe the whole data. So I'll simply click on wipe because I don't have very important data in my phone, so I'll be simply formatting it, right? And after, I'll simply reboot, and again I will press the volume up and power button both at the same time to land in the TWRP mode again, right? So after this, I'll quickly copy the ROM file in my phone. As you can see, we are back in the TWRP. Swipe to allow modifications, and again I will simply copy the ROM file, and I'll meet you on the other side. So I'm back, and as you can see, if I click on install, I'll have the PixelOS Beryllium version 12 in my phone because I have copied it, and I'll simply click on this and swipe to confirm flash. So again, this process is going to take around about 5 minutes. So I'll fast forward the video from here and I'll meet you on the boot screen, right? Before I go to the boot screen, or before I fast forward, I'll simply tell you, you can see the Android version is Android 12. The build date is of 11th of March 2022, and the security patch is of 5th of February. So what I can recall is that the latest March security patch is not out in a lot of custom ROMs. So the new security patch will be up in, I think, next week. So any ROM that supports that will be updated on this channel, and so for that you can subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon whenever we upload a new video for a new custom ROM, right? So I'll fast forward the video from here and I'll meet you on the other end. So here we are. As you can see, we are already on the setup screen. So this process again will take 5 to 7 minutes to set the phone up. So I'll quickly set up the phone and I'll meet you on the lock screen. So here I am on the boot screen of PixelOS version 12 here, and as you can see, it's probably in the dark mode. So I'll quickly change the mode to light so that it is easy on the your screens, or my camera at least for now. So I'll remove the dark theme here. Probably it should go to the lighter theme. Yes, it is going to a lighter theme. Yes, it is in the lighter theme now. So these are the pre-installed apps. As you can see, there are a bunch of Google applications because this is a GApps build, and probably let me open Google Photos and just let me yes, and skip. Yep. And yes, can you see this thing backing up from this is this, so that's very amazing. So again, I'll go back and let's go to the camera. Okay, we have a very basic camera right now in the application. Yeah, it's very snappy, it works, but yeah, you can always install a Gcam or some other camera, maybe open camera or something like that, whatever the camera of your preference. And we do have a screen, what do we call it, a recorder, the Google built-in recorder we have, and some safety application. Probably it won't work in this particular device because it's very pixel exclusive. So I'll click on settings, and in the settings, as we can see, the Android version is Android 12, security patches of 5th of February, and rest of other things, the build version, kernel versions are here. So I'll double tap to go back, And again, let's start from the very first menu. The first is the network and internet. So probably nothing very different, or yes, adaptive connectivity is on. So it will probably toggle from the Wi-Fi to your phone data and phone data to Wi-Fi according to the circumstances that you are in right now, right? So apart from that, in the connected device, we have very basic, that Bluetooth functionality and other stuff. So in the apps, we have bunch of other features that tells the which application was last open or last loaded. So we have a bunch of apps here. You can choose the default applications from here, whatever default application you want, so you can set it from here. We have game settings as well. So let's turn on game dashboard and do not disturb for games. So let's see later what it is. And we have a screen time option here as well. So this is probably the digital well-being sort of something that Google offers, right? An unused app and some other things are going on around. We can always come and check back, right? Apart from that, we have notification history and other stuff going on around. So if you have notifications on your phone, you can simply check the history from here. For example, if I clear it, let's go back. Okay, probably right now we don't have the history button over here, but after there are a lot of notifications here, we do get a history option so that we can see what were the notifications in our phone before we removed them. Or you can simply click on notification history, and if you turn it on, now you'll be able to see the history of notification. You can see the manage is now changed to history. So if I click on this one, you will see bunch of things going on around. When you have a lot of notifications on your phone, this thing is very, very helpful in that particular scenario, right? Apart from notification, what else we are having? We have battery, and in the battery we have thermal profiles. That means you can change the individual behavior of the application, how it performs in various scenarios, right? For example, let's assume the camera is in is a game, right? This is a gaming application, so we will click on gaming, and the camera will be optimized for gaming. As you can see, you can see this small console right on this side. This tells us that camera will be in the gaming performance mode, right? Apart from that, we have battery saver, adaptive preferences, and a lot of other stuff very similar to Pixel. Apart from that, we have storage. So after installing this ROM, we get 11 GB of our space used, and the rest of the 742 is the application that are in our phone that comes with the ROM, of course. And apart from that, sounds and vibration will have nothing very different. It's very similar to how it was in Pixel or on the previous custom ROMs, right? Apart from that, wallpapers, we have a lot of things going on around. We can simply click and change the theme to dark mode, and we have themed icons as well. Since we are having such kind of colors, the icons will be of this color. If you change the color background to red, maybe orange or something, the colors of the icon will be changed accordingly, right? So again, we'll go back and the wallpapers, and we have app grid size. Again, this is a very custom ROM feature, I believe. So if I click on this, you can now change the size of the icon. Previously it was 5x5, now it is, previously it was 4x5, now it will be 5x5. So you can change bunch of things from here. If you just want to see your applications like that, you can simply tap on this and apply, and this will be, the grid size will change automatically just like that, right? I don't like this, I don't like it in this way, so I can simply click it here and apply, and we're good to go, right? So that's in the wallpaper and styles. Obviously you can come back and let's see all the other wallpapers and stuff. There are a lot of wallpapers in the Pixel ROM. In the security tab, we have, let's see the type of lock screens, or you can see screen locks available. So we have swipe, we have pattern, password, and there is no face unlock, because there is no face unlock in Pixel as well. Probably that's why in this menu it's not there. But if you click on this particular menu, you have the option to choose a face and fingerprint unlock. Obviously fingerprint works from here, and face unlock you simply pick and set the phone up, right? So we have app lock as well. If you want to choose a particular lock for a particular application, you can choose it right from here. But obviously it says to use first set a screen lock, right? So we'll set a screen lock, and then we'll be able to do this thing, right? And for power users, you can see encryption and credentials. It is encrypted. That means the ROM comes pre-encrypted. You don't have to manually do it. So that thing is here for sure. Apart from that, we have passwords and account, digital well-being, and a lot of other stuff is going on around. And that was for this ROM. As you can see, the feel and look of this ROM is very smooth. Just see it works perfectly fine, and all the transitions and smooth stuff is happening. Whatever it is, there is no jitter, no lag. As you can see, very beautifully running this OS is. So this was PixelOS, and now I hope you know what things and other stuff Pixel ROM comes with. These are the default applications, as you can see, if you just want to have another look. So these are very pixelish or very Google-ish kind of applications that are in here, because this contains G apps. This particular ROM contains G apps, right? So that's all for this video. If you are interested in watching more videos like this, and if you want to know something more about this particular ROM, do drop a comment in the comment section, or head on to the Telegram channel of this YouTube channel. The link is in the description, and we can always discuss whatever doubts you have here, right? Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.